Hi guys, I picked up some random brass tubing in the charity shop. It's 8mm diameter, so my usual first thought of what can I do with something that's not much use is make a rubber band powered car. So I 3D printed a couple of axle holders that will fit in there, good tight fit. Let's see if we can get these off. Oh, they're stuck on there a bit tight. Alright, I'll have to do some work on there to clear them off. But the axles will go down through the holes there. Very simple. Oh, that one's coming off that side. There we go. I need to clean it up a little bit. But yeah, that's the general idea. One of these on each end. And that's our car. CDs for wheels. These are ones that I've used before several times. These have got a 3D printed hub to fit on there, and these ones have got bamboo canes on them, 3mm I think they are. So those should go down through there. Might have to clean it a little bit. No, that looks like that's going to go through there all right. I'll use a single rubber band with a bit of cotton on it and wrap the cotton around the wheel because we haven't got much space there for wrapping a rubber band around it. I'll put it together and we see how we get on. Oh, sorry, the light's flickering. There we are. A bit of brass tube, 3D printed axle tubes, hubs, whatever, on either end. Barbecue skewers for the axles. These CDs have got my 3D printed hubs on them. But just for variation, the CDs on the front have just got bits of cardboard taped to them. That works just as well. So I'll put a rubber band on there and, as I say, a bit of cotton. Wrap the cotton around the back axle and see how we go. I better just demonstrate this so we can see it. So we got rubber band just looped around the front there with a bit of cotton tied to it. I use kite string with a loop tied on the end of it. If we put that around the axle so it goes over itself, that actually holds it in place while you wind it up. So we'll see if we can hit the camera with it. Well, that one works. So we've got a bit of brass tubing that I picked up in a charity shop, a couple of 3D printed axle brackets, tubes, whatever you want to call them, 4 CDs. I've used 3D printed hubs there. I've used bits of cardboard taped in place there. And there's another example, a bottle cap just taped in place, or you could hot glue it on. Axles I've used bamboo canes or barbecue skewers, rubber band, and a bit of kite string I've used there. So single rubber band, and we're doing the length of my kitchen easily.